I am Dr. Khalid Yasmin, and now we will discuss about sulfur and its deficiency symptoms. First of all, sulfur concentration, if we talk about in soil, that varies from 0.01 to 0.05%, and it is also added in the form of sulfur SO4 sulfur oxide. Sulfur dioxide gas is usually emitted by various industrial waste, which is also absorbed by plants, but it is highly toxic because it is readily converted to sulfuric acid by reacting with the water which is present in the environment. Like nitrogen, most of the sulfate is reduced in the plants and it is present as SS and SH form, but some sulfur SO4 as such is found in the tissues and cell sap as well. Though sulfur deficiency rarely occur in the world because of its every time availability from the various industries. And it is also immobile element and never move from older to younger plant parts because of its immobile nature. That's why its deficiency symptoms always appear in the younger parts of the plants. If we talk about its inorganic form, then in a case of inorganic form, it is present as SO4 and sulfur. Or if we talk about organic form, then it is mostly found in combination with carbon and nitrogen. Importance and utilization of sulfur. It is very important constituent of amino acid, for example cysteine and methionine. It is also involved in the synthesis of protein, and it is also integral part of various enzymes and vitamins, and also increase oil content in certain crops such as soybean. And it is also required for the nitrogenous fixation by the leguminous crops and also play role in enzyme nitrogenase. And it also constitute the ferridoxin and FES proteins. So it is important. It is component of sulfolipids which is present in the cell membrane. So these are the same utilizations or importance of sulfur. If we talk about its deficiency symptoms at morphological and anatomical level, some symptoms of sulfur deficiency that resemble those of nitrogen deficiency. Red or purple pigmentations and general chlorosis occurs throughout the leaves, including veins, in case of sulfur deficiency. And young leaves are more sensitive to sulfur deficiency than the older leaves because of its immobile nature, and stem become stiff and woody on sulfur deficiency. If we talk about cellular and subcellular level, then cell wall thickness increases in fibers, xylem and collenchyma, and cell division was abnormal and chromosomes failed to separate at enough phase during the first meiosis in case of sulfur deficiency. If we talk about effects on metabolism, then sugar and sucrose, though both will be reduced almost 5-fold in sunflower with the deficiency of sulfur. And sulfur deficiency also caused increased concentration of glycine, serine, glutamine, asparine, and arginine in several plants. Thank you.